Looking for a game changer for comfort and intimacy? The Luma Aura Couples Pillow promises deeper angles, less back pain, and more satisfying moments. But is it actually worth it or just another pillow with a sexy marketing pitch? Let's break it down. So the Luma Aura Couples Pillow is designed with a 27-inch angle lift and a high-density memory foam core that supports your pelvis and hips during intimacy or lounging. The brand says this angle reduces discomfort, boosts comfort for both partners, and improves positioning, basically making intimate moments more enjoyable and less physically strenuous. Here's where things get interesting. Many users report less back, hip, and joint discomforts thanks to the ergonomic lift and support, especially helpful if you've had pain kill your flow. Couples say the pillow helps with angles and positioning, making connection more comfortable and satisfying. Some even felt like intimacy improved significantly after just one use. It doubles as a support cushion for lounging, reading, or resting on the bed, not just a bedroom accessory. Customers often praise the firm, supportive memory foam that doesn't collapse under pressure, which is exactly what you want in a couple's pillow. But it's not magic for everyone. It's better for specific situations like intimate support and positional comfort. If you're just looking for a regular sleep pillow, this isn't ideal. A pillow designed for intimacy won't solve relationship issues. It can help comfort and comfort-based mechanics, but real connection still depends on communication and chemistry. Some partners prefer softer or different shaped support. Ergonomics are very personal, and firm memory foam isn't everyone's cup of tea. One thing to keep in mind, no pillow is a guaranteed relationship fix, and results vary by body type and comfort preferences. So is the Luma Aura couples pillow worth it? For many couples, yes, especially if discomfort or awkward positioning has held you back. Most users report immediate comfort and better angles that help both partners enjoy time together without pain. But this isn't a miracle pillow. It's a support tool that works as part of teamwork and communication. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.